Hello, everybody. Welcome to this live session of living a designed life and not a default life. So, just waiting for a few participants to join in, and then we'll begin with the session. This session is going to be a very different and a life changing kind of a session wherein we're gonna talk so much about our thought process and how we think, how we take decisions. So, it's gonna be a very unique session today. So I guess one participant has joined. So can we know your name and from where are you? The person who's just come online, Neetu Verma. Dr. Neetu, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you, Dr. Neetu. I hope you're good and doing well wherever you are. I saw your session yesterday. Again, it was very nice, rejuvenating, giving us so much knowledge about the spinal cord. So Dr. Sandeep has joined. Tina has joined. Yeah. So Dr. Neetu says your session was awaited. Thank you, Dr. Neetu. So I guess 6 people have joined. I'll begin with my session. So I welcome you all to this session. Thank you so much for coming in and joining. And today's session is very close to my heart. The talk which I'm gonna have today with you all is very close to my heart, and I totally believe in this concept of living a designed life and not a default life. So you all are great professionals. You all are physiotherapists working all across the globe, giving your services to the people. And I guess physiotherapy is the future of this world, not just this country but the world, because everybody is moving to treatments which does not have any side effect. So you people actually give that treatment to people, you save people's life, you actually increase the level of life. Level of life means what I mean by level of life means the body what they carry, the social life what they can enjoy. You people are the backbone of our system, that you give that strength to individuals. So I really admire and respect the services which every physiotherapist is giving to this country, and hence I am here to deliver a session. So a small introduction about me. My name, I stay in Noida, happens to be a corporate trainer, and I'm a graduate in the field of law, postgraduate in the field of psychology, and have been delivering a lot of sessions in a lot of corporates all across India. Also, I have done a lot of customized sessions for physiotherapists all over India, talking about Mangalore and Dehradun, Ghaziabad, Delhi, Noida, a lot of places where the signature program what I deliver is Physiopreneur, which is known as entrepreneurship and physiotherapy, where we tell people that how to become entrepreneur. And today's session is also going to be somewhat same, that how actually we can begin our journey of being a great entrepreneur and having a thought process of living a designed life but not a default life. So when I say designed and I click this button, so because it all starts from here. हिंदी में एक कहावत है, जैसी मनोस्थिति वैसी परिस्थिति, जैसी मनोस्थिति वैसी परिस्थिति. So the way you look at life, the life actually looks back at you at the same pace and with the same aura and with the same vision. So now when I begin with this session, why I have chosen this topic, because I believe that for physiotherapists this is the need of the hour. I interact with a lot of physiotherapists all across the globe, for the reason a lot of them are my friends, and I have met so many people during sessions and have spoken to so many people. So I personally chose this session because I feel also that there is a need of bringing a little change in the thought process of the professionals. A lot of professionals also get disheartened sometimes because they are not able to earn enough money, they are not able to get enough satisfaction. Bineet Jha, hello sir, good afternoon. Thank you, Bineet. Good afternoon to you also. So I believe that a lot of people want to earn a lot of money, want to deliver a lot of service to people, but they are not able to do so. And the major cause, what I find behind it, that why are they not able to do it? Because they are delivering the service in their default manner. Now, what do I mean by default? So there are two types of things which a physiotherapy person can do. So I want to try and put my session in the field of physiotherapy only, so that you all can make maximum out of it. So there are two kinds of services which you can provide. First kind of service is which is really trending in the market. trending in the market means the demand is high, the patients are high, the clientage is high, and there is a lot of scope. So this is the first thing. And second thing what I say is what you love to do. Second thing what I say is what you love to do. So it really depends upon you that you choose the first one or the second one. So I want to ask this question to all the 17 viewers who are here right now. What is the best? First, the particular industry or the field where you have maximum scope. So for example, let's say a lot of people have a back pain problem these days. For example, I'm not right, I may be not right. So let's say a lot of people have this back pain problem these days. So what would you want to choose? You want to choose your profession around the back pain problem, or you would want to choose the profession, or you want to choose the services, you want to choose that specialization which you would want to deliver to the society? Can you quickly write in the chat box, number 1 or 2? What would you love to choose? Yes, anybody, come on. And why would you choose so? Number 1 or number 2? Okay, I guess there is some problem in the chat box and people are not able to reply. So I'll tell you, sadly, most of the people go for number 1. Most of the people go for number 1. They want to choose something which has high scope, which has a great glory and glamour in the market. But they forget to choose what they always wanted to do, why they actually came into this profession. So today's session is all about living a designed life and not a default life. So by designed life, what is meant is that you are living a life, you are choosing a profession which you want to choose and which you want to do, and which gives you maximum satisfaction and happiness. And default life is one which actually okay, now I can see the responses. Number 2, very good. And the default life is one which people wants you to be chosen, which people actually want you to go ahead. So what I'm telling you, my dear friends, here is that how do we actually choose this designed life? There is a structure behind it, there is a method behind it, there is a way behind it. Then and how do we do it? So first, so I'm also going to share a lot of techniques with you here right now, that how we can actually choose that designed life. So first and the foremost technique which I have for you is power of goal setting and visualization. So I want to do this activity with all of you who are here right now, my dear friends, that most of us actually make this mistake of not doing a proper goal setting, of not doing a proper visualization. So as I told you, I come from the background of psychology, and I believe every time a thought starts, it starts from here. I want to also ask you this question, a very basic and a simple question, that till now, how many times the Taj Mahal has been built? My question to you all is, till now, how many times the Taj Mahal has been built? आज तक ताज महल का निर्माण कितनी बारी हुआ है? My question to you is this. You can tell me the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want to say. So आज तक ताज महल का निर्माण कितनी बारी हुआ है? Till how many times the Taj Mahal has been built till now? Come on. Yes, Shanu Srivastava, thank you. Hello. So I'm asking you all a question here, that till now, how many times the Taj Mahal has been built? Come on, come on. आज तक ताज महल का निर्माण कितनी बारी हुआ है? Everybody has to answer. So Bhumi happens to be my friend. She says 3. Okay, 3 is a different number altogether, and only one time. Kirti Vyas says only one time. Okay, come on, everybody. I can see almost 20 people. Taj Mahal, Kirti Vyas, absolutely. Taj Mahal I'm talking about. आज तक ताज महल का निर्माण कितनी बारी हुआ है? Till now, how many times the Taj Mahal has been built? So only one time. Come on, just 1 or 2 more replies and then I'll give you the answer and I'll tell you. Okay, Bhumi again says 3. Anu Radha says 1. Come on. Okay, so I'll give you the right answer, as Bhumi is one of my very close friends. She knows the answer. That's why she is repeating 3 again and again. So I'll tell you how 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer because first time the Taj Mahal was built in the head of Shahjahan. He actually visualized, he actually thought that how that Taj Mahal would look like. Second time, it was built by an architect in the form of a layout. लेआउट मीन्स जैसे हमारे घर का भी आर्किटेक्ट आता है, एक नक्शा बनाता है पूरा, तो ऐसे उस टाइम पे भी देयर यूज्ड टू बी आर्किटेक्ट्स हु यूज्ड टू बिल्ड दैट लेआउट ऑन दैट वुडन स्टिक्स. तो वुडन स्टिक्स पे एक लेआउट बनता था. एंड थर्ड टाइम इट वाज बिल्ट फिजिकली, विच वी आर एक्चुअली एबल टू सी. सो व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू? सो देयर आर टू वेज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स लिविंग. Either you can live a designed life or you can live a default life. So by designed life, what I mean to say here is that you have to actually visualize, you have to actually think that how do you want to live. Most people make this mistake that they never do a goal setting. So if I ask a lot of physiotherapists, unsuccessful but successful when I talk, so I don't want to take any names here, but I know a lot of physiotherapists. So there are a few physiotherapists who are earning more than 15 to 20 lakh rupees a month, and they're delivering their services to the best of the clients. They're delivering great services. They are on the panel of a lot of organizations. They're doing pretty well. And on the other hand, I see a lot of physiotherapists who are struggling by just taking probably 500 to 700 rupees a per session fees, and people do not want to reach out to them. People do not want to talk to them. So what is the difference between both of them? And I say the difference between both of them is goal setting. So I'll tell you, even I'll explain you what is the power of goal setting here, my dear friends. In order to live a designed life, you need to have a goal sheet. So what I want you to do, if you can do it with me right now, it can really bless you. It can give you a lot of insights if you can actually do this with me. So first and the foremost thing, what I want you all to do is, you can write it down. If you're not doing it, at least write it down, and believe me, it will benefit you a lot. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब my sessions are totally different from other sessions, and these are really result oriented sessions. So first thing what I want you all to do is that visualize your clinic, how it would look like after 15 months. Visualize your clinic, visualize your organization, visualize your institute, that how it would look like after 15 months. You have to visualize it. That, and while visualizing, what all do you have to imagine? That how much staff do you have inside there? What kind of clients are coming there when they take your services? Do you all agree to what I'm saying? I'll only continue if you type yes in the comment box, so that I can understand that you all are with me and you are able to understand what I'm talking about here. And if not, please feel free to post your question here. If not, please feel free to post your questions. And if you are understanding what I'm trying to say here, what I'm asking you to visualize, please type yes in the comment box, so that I can read and understand what you are, if you are with me on the same page or not. Okay, so just waiting for the comments. So what I'm asking you here to do is visualize it, my dear friends. Draw it on a piece of paper, draw it on a chart paper. Use the best of the colors, use the best of the crayons, use the best of the pencil to draw it. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Ziaul. Thank you everybody for saying yes. It gives me a Abhishek. Someone is watching. Abhishek, yes. Thank you. Bhumi, thank you. Yes. So point here is what I'm trying to say it. We are not able to live a designed life because we don't make effort to live a designed life. We actually don't make efforts to probably write down everything and customize everything. So आप लोगों ने लाइफ में ना, सब लोगों ने दो टाइप के कपड़े पहने होंगे. First is designer clothes, second is ready-made clothes, right? So what is the difference between designer clothes and ready-made clothes? Designer clothes are actually made as per your fitting, as per your body structure, as per your body style, and जो ready-made clothes are already made and are kept in the showroom. You just go there and whatever you think fits you the best, you just buy it. But there is a difference between designer clothes and ready-made clothes. So what I'm asking you here and explaining you here, if you want to live a designed life, a customized life, where the satisfaction level is more, where the happiness level is more, where you are actually happy, where you are actually enjoying, for that to happen, you need to do goal setting, my dear friends. You need to do goal setting. So what goal setting, as a physiotherapist, you can do. All the doctors who are there with me right now, what all you can do is visualize your clinic, visualize your practice, that how it would look like after 15 months. What kind of clients are coming there? What are their problems? so if you want to treat a certain person who is a celebrity, or the person whom you really admire or whom you really respect, and you want to treat that person, imagine it, visualize it, write it on a piece of paper, and imagine that what kind of face expressions your clients are giving when they are actually taking your services. When they are taking your services, imagine their faces, how satisfied they are feeling. It all starts with here, my dear friends. It all starts with your mind. If you actually able to build up that clinic, that organization, that place over here, it will come into reality. But the problem here is, the with maximum people, they don't even think about it. And I can guarantee you, my dear friends over here, that if you cannot imagine it, if you cannot visualize it, if you cannot talk about it, it will never ever happen in your life. If you cannot explain it, if you cannot tell it to anybody, it will never ever happen in your life. So what I am asking you to, that how you can actually live a designed life, make a chart for yourself, do goal setting, right? Do you all agree to what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up or a yes in the chat box. Give me a thumbs up or a yes in the chat box, so that I can actually understand that you are all with me. Okay, so Dr. Sandeep Vaishnav says yes. Thank you, Dr. Sandeep, and thank you, Dr. Sandeep, again for reaching out and giving me this opportunity to have an interaction with you all. So great. Now, when I move ahead, I want to also give you some tricks and hacks, that how again you can live a designed life. I agree, boss. Thank you, Ashish. I'm not boss. I'm just a friend of yours. So I do business coaching for a lot of people. I'm doing business coaching for a lot of entrepreneurs, and so I work as a mindset coach, because I personally believe that if the things are not clear in your head, if the things are not clear in your brain, then it can never happen in reality. That is what I believe, and that is why I'm doing this session with you all. So most of the people, they are living that default life, and the life which people around them are expecting them to live. So people actually choose their profession on the basis of what the industry is demanding from them, what the surroundings are demanding from them. But when you choose your profession, what actually makes you happy from inside, when you actually choose your profession, what gives you satisfaction from inside, you actually excel in it. Now let's talk about any successful human being on this earth. Let's talk about any successful and happy human being on this earth, and you go back to the history of that person, you will very easily recognize this one thing, that they all are living a designed life, not a default life. Go to the history of any successful person on this earth, be it a celebrity, actor. Why that's true? So Harsh Bafna, are you asking this question, why that is true, or you are saying yes, that's true? Harsh, please rephrase your comment so that I can understand. Okay, great. So thank you, Bridge Kishorji. Thank you for your comment. So let's move ahead. What I'm trying to say here, my dear friends, that in order to live that designed life and to be more happy and successful in life, you need to do what you want to do. I want to share a small story here with you. So are you ready for that story? This story is very close to my heart, and this yeah, that's true. Harsh says, yeah, that's true. Thank you, Harsh. So I want to share a story with you here, that are we going to learn something about NLP? Siddharth, no, I'm not going to talk anything about NLP or any other technique like that. I am going to give you only result-oriented techniques which actually works. So no, I'm not going to talk about NLP. So yeah, coming back to the story which I wanted to share with you, this story is again very close to my heart. This story also might look funny to you, but it actually makes a lot of sense. So I would use a mix of the language here, Hindi and English. If somebody is not comfortable in Hindi, please write it in the comment box. Then I'll try to switch the language. So this story is about two friends. So one of them was at his home only, and the second one reached the home of first one to invite him to watch a movie. ये कहानी दो दोस्तों की है. एक दोस्त अपने घर पे ही था, दूसरा दोस्त उसके घर जाता है उसको मूवी के लिए इनवाइट करने के लिए कि चल भाई आजा मूवी देखने चलते हैं। तो जो पहला दोस्त था उसकी एक चाबी खो गई होती है। द फर्स्ट friend whom I'm talking about has lost his key and he was searching for his key in and around। तो वो घर के बाहर आसपास घर के बाहर पूरा आसपास वहाँ पे ना चाबी ढूंढने लग गया था। तो वो दूसरे दोस्त को बोलता है कि जैसे ही चाबी मिल जाएगी ना वैसे ही हम मूवी देखने चल लेंगे। तो दोनों दोस्त मिलके ना चाबी ढूंढते हैं, कभी गमला उठा के देखते हैं, कभी मिट्टी साइड करके देखते हैं, कभी घास के साइड में देखते हैं। सो दे बोथ केप्ट ऑन सर्चिंग फॉर द की फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम। आधा घंटा हो गया, पौना घंटा हो गया, 1 घंटा हो गया। They kept on searching for that key, but none of them could find that key. None of them was actually able to look for that key and find that key. तो जो दूसरा दोस्त होता है जो उसको मूवी के लिए इनवाइट करने आया होता है, he gets frustrated, he gets really angry कि यार तूने मजाक बना रखा है ये कि तूने खुद तो मूवी देखी नहीं और तूने जो मेरी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी मूवी देखने की वो भी खराब कर दी। आई एम वेरी एंग्री विद यू, तू मेरे को सही से बता तेरी चाबी खोई कहाँ पर थी। सो द फर्स्ट फ्रेंड who was actually searching for the key even earlier than the second one came, he said कि जो मेरी चाबी है ना वो घर के अंदर खोई थी। अब जो दूसरा दोस्त था ना, he got furious, he got so angry that गाली देके उसको बोलता है that if your key was lost inside your house, why were you wasting my time by searching for the key outside the house? So the first friend said that I did so because I thought there is more sunlight, more daylight and more broad area outside, hence I thought क्या पता चाबी यहाँ मिल जाए। Yes, it looks foolish, it looks ugly, it looks illogical, totally illogical, but जो सेकंड दोस्त था वो उसको बोलता है जब तेरी चाबी अंदर खोई थी तो वो बाहर कैसे मिल जाएगी। तो वो बोलता है बाहर इसलिए मिल जाएगी, मुझे लगा ज़्यादा सनलाइट है शायद यहाँ मिल जाए। सो सेम मिस्टेक माय डियर फ्रेंड्स समटाइम्स वी मेक इन आवर लाइफ। एक्चुअली वी चूज दैट प्रोफेशन विच इज़ मोर ग्लैमरस, which is the requirement of the industry, which has more money. We try and choose that kind of profession, but it cannot happen. It cannot happen. You cannot get success if you don't choose what is there inside. मतलब जो आपके अंदर है ना वो आपको आपके अंदर से ही मिलेगा, वो आपको बाहर ढूंढने से नहीं मिलेगा। The crux of the story is कि जो चीज़ अंदर खोई है वो अंदर ही मिलेगी और जो चीज़ बाहर खोई है वो बाहर ही मिलेगी। The thing which is lost inside you will find it inside only, and the thing which is lost outside will be found outside only. Harpreet Singh says, nice sir. Thank you Harpreet if you like the story. I hope you are getting the message out of the story and you will try and implement the same things when you go back at your workstation after this session is over. You actually make a goal chart. You actually, so people who have just joined and have missed what I have said before, so I have actually talked about a sheet. I have actually talked about a chart paper wherein you have to design your future. So if you don't, nice one, very true. Thank you Ashish, thank you Brij Kishore ji, thank you everybody. I'm reading your comments continuously so that I can interact with you. So what I'm trying to tell you here, my dear friends, Rajdeep Sayan, thank you sir, you said nice, thank you so much. So what I'm trying to say, my dear friends, is that if you want to live a designed life, first design your future. First write it down on a piece of paper. What you want to achieve, how you wish to achieve, who are your clients, how will they pay you, why will they pay you, what kind of services you're gonna give them, and how they are going to benefit out of you. And write that on a sheet of paper and design your life, because until and unless you do it. So I asked you this question कि आज तक ताजमहल कितनी बारी बना है? 3 बारी बना है। सबसे पहले शाहजहां के दिमाग में, सेकंड टाइम लेआउट में, थर्ड टाइम फिजिकली। तो हम लोग ये फर्स्ट स्टेप, मैंने आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप बताया, फर्स्ट विजुअलाइज व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट टू अचीव। सेकंड स्टेप हियर इज दैट राइट इट डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, क्योंकि जैसे जब तक आप इसको एक पीस ऑफ पेपर पे नहीं लिखते तब तक वो बस एक ड्रीम रहता है, वो कभी रियलिटी बनने के काबिल नहीं होता। एंड थर्ड एंड द फॉरमोस्ट पॉइंट, इट विल कम इनटू बीइंग ओनली व्हेन द फर्स्ट 2 स्टेप्स हैव टेकन प्लेस। डू यू ऑल अग्री? आपने आज तक कभी लाइफ में गाड़ी ली होगी, स्कूटर लिया होगा, बाइक ली होगी या नया क्लिनिक लिया होगा, आपने अपने आप को इमेजिन किया होगा। आई एम श्योर यू वुड अग्री टू मी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोगों ने पहले उसको विजुअलाइज किया होगा, देन ओनली इट हैपेंड, राइट? और मुझे, मैं आपको एक साइड इफेक्ट भी बताता हूँ इसका। साइड इफेक्ट मतलब कि अगर आप ये सब नहीं करते हो ना, तो अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें नहीं करते हो तो नुकसान क्या होता है, व्हाट डू यू लूज इफ यू डोंट लिव अ डिजाइन लाइफ। आई टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड। सो यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ संडे एट योर होम, आप मजे से बैठे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, रेस्ट कर रहे हैं। आपका एक फ्रेंड का फोन आएगा, वो बोलेगा भाई तुझे पता चला है कि एक ना नई थेरेपी आई है, फिजियोथेरेपी में एक नई थेरेपी आई है, XYZ थेरेपी आई है ना, जैसे कपिंग की, नीडलिंग की, ऐसे ऐसे करके कोई XYZ थेरेपी आई है, और ये जो थेरेपी है ना USA से आई है। दिस थेरेपी हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम USA। लेट्स डू दिस थिंग कि हम लोग भी इसका एक कोर्स कर लेते हैं, एंड वी विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस, एंड वी विल बी द पाइनियर्स इन इंडिया, वी विल बी द पाइनियर्स इन आवर सिटी, वी विल बी द पाइनियर्स इन आवर स्टेट, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, है ना। ऐसे करके हम वो करने चले जाते हैं। वी कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन इट फॉर 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, एंड नथिंग हैपन्स, नो रिजल्ट, नो मनी, no client, nothing happens. Brishkishore ji says yes. So I know that, my dear friends, it all happens with us because we are living a default life. We are going by the words of our friends and the people who are around. So and they are also unknown about the knowledge. They just call you because they want to explore something new, and they make you a party to it. As a result, nobody achieves anything. But once you are sure that this is my area in the body which I want to cater to, this is one thing which I really want to dwell upon, then when you certify yourself and become a professional of that particular region, you become a specialist. You actually take the lead. Then instead of you reaching out to people start reaching out to you. So when I do my sales training, there is a concept of push sales and pull sales. Does anybody know what is the difference between push sales and pull sales? Anybody, if you know anything about push sales and pull sales, please write it in the comment box. If you don't know, write no. It's a beautiful concept which is directly related to the topic of the day, and I'll definitely discuss it with you. So if you know the concept of push sales and pull sales, write down the concept. If no, type no in the comment box, and I'll definitely tell you right away. It's a beautiful thing, and we need to know this concept if we are talking about living a designed life here. Come on, everybody. Okay, so I'll explain you what actually push sales and pull sales mean. Ashish says no. Okay, so push sales means where you are pushing yourself to the people and calling them again and again that I am Akshay Agarwal, a physiotherapist, and please come to my clinic for your for taking my services. And that is known as push sales. Push sales means you are pushing yourself very hard in the market so that people get to know about you. The people who are actually willing to take your services, you push yourself upon them by giving them discounts, by reaching out to them, by spending so much money on advertisement, by doing so many programs, by putting canopies, and leaving no stone unturned to actually make any and every effort to just bring clients to you. This only happens when you are living a default life, when you are living a life wherein you are not sure about your services and you are just doing it for the selling sake. You are just doing it because you want to stay inside that industry. That time you do push sales. And what I want to talk about sales here is, so basically why I'm doing this session, my dear friends, it all actually boils down to money. So a successful physiotherapist is one who is actually earning a lot of money, delivering services to a lot of people and doing a lot of researches which is benefiting the industry as a whole, which is actually benefiting the physiotherapy industry as a whole. So now when I talk about pull sales, which I admire the most, and which is the concept which I want to give you today during this session, that if you are living a designed life, instead of you reaching out to your clients, my dear friends, your clients will reach out to you. Your clients will anyways find you and come to you, because now you are a professional. Now you love your job. And I'll tell you a secret here. Please tell me in the comment box yes or no if you agree to it or not. If you really love your work, if you are really happy while doing your work, it is visible in your aura. It is visible in your vocabulary. It is visible in your body language, and your clients actually get to know it. Your clients actually understand this, that you are happy and satisfied with the work you are doing. Does it happen? Yes or no? If yes, type yes in the chat box. If no, then type no in the chat box. Come on. That your clients actually get to know that how happy, how satisfied, how calm do you feel while working. That are you in a profession out of your choice, or are you in that profession by force of somebody, by pressure of somebody? Your clients actually get to know about this thing. So I'll give you an example here. You all, wherever you are staying on this earth, you all must be having a lot of grocery shops near your house. Deepak says yes, Ashish says yes. Thank you. So there are a lot of grocery shops near your house, and it would happen whenever you will go to any grocery shop. By looking at the owner of that grocery shop, you will understand that if he or she is satisfied with his or her business or not. You will understand that thing. That if that person, I fully agree with you, sir. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you. So as soon you will go to a grocery shop and you will see the owner of the shop, by looking at the face of the owner, you will understand that if that owner is satisfied with the work he or she is doing. You will understand that, right? And let me tell you something beyond it. Let's say you get to know this thing, that this particular shopkeeper is not satisfied with the services he or she is giving. You will stop going to that shop, because you will have that feeling that this guy is not satisfied with the profession. He might cheat you one day. You will stop going to that shop, or you will automatically switch that shop from one shop to another, and you will start going to that person more and more, whom you think is more happy and satisfied in his business. Do you all agree? If yes, type it in the chat box. If no, tell me that you don't agree. You actually try and deal with more people who are happy. Everybody wants to deal with and interact with and do transactions with people who are happy and satisfied in their life. Nobody wants to go to a person who is totally always criticizing about their profession, who is always criticizing about the market, who is always criticizing about their life. Even divorce happens because of that. Breakups happens because of that. Because if the one partner is not optimistic in life, everything goes for a toss. Nobody wants to live with such a partner in life. Nobody wants to choose a neighbor who is probably not optimistic in life, who is always talking negative things. So this happens, my dear friends. This happens in our life also, and this happens in our profession also. If you are happy, if you are actually doing what you always wanted to do, if you're living a designed life, if you have a curriculum with you, if you have a goal sheet with you, you will live a designed life. You will be more happy, you will be more satisfied. As a result, more clients would be coming to you, and you will also feel that whatever you are doing, you feel blessed while doing it. And on the other hand, if you choose a business which is only the requirement of the industry, where the scope is high, where the money is high, if you choose that path, you will be sad, you will look ugly, people will not trust you enough. As a result, you will never ever get more clients. So with this, I would want to conclude this session, and I hope you enjoyed this short and crisp session of living a designed life instead of default life. And if you have any questions, please ask me right now. I have left last 10 minutes. Rather, we have just 7 minutes to have a discussion. If questions, please feel free to ask. And meanwhile, I'll conclude the session for you. So my topic of the today's session was living a designed life instead of default life. And I told you the merits of living a designed life, that you become more happy, you become more satisfied, you earn more money, and you have better relationships in life. Now, how do you live a designed life? First, you have to sit down. Without this, it is not going to happen. First, you have to sit down and design your future. Design your clinic, how it would look like, how many people are working there, how many staff do you have, what kind of clients are coming in, what kind of services you are giving to them, what kind of money is being rolling inside and outside, and what kind of treatments you are offering to them. You have to design all of this. And last but not the least, once you have designed it and you have written it down, try and follow it. As a result, you will live a designed and a beautiful and a calm life. And if you do this, it would be visible in your personality, it would be visible in your aura, it would be visible on the way you present yourself. You will be looking more satisfied, calm, honest, and people would love to work with you. But on the other hand, I also told you, if you are not doing this, my dear friends, automatically we will start looking ugly. Nobody would want to interact with us, nobody would want to talk with us, nobody would want to deal with us, nobody would want to have an interaction with us, right? So thank you so much for attending this session. I hope I was able to give you some insights. So my name is Akshay Agarwal. I'm the founder of this company called the Psychology Solutions. We deliver corporate trainings in all over the country. We have started getting assignments from abroad as well, and we deliver business coaching and mindset coaching to the top leaders of these companies. So thank you so much for attending this session, and I'm looking forward to receive your feedback. And if you wish to connect with me on talk on certain things, that how you can develop more business, how you can reach out to more clients, how can you have a clear mindset, feel free to discuss. So thank you so much. I'm signing off now. Thank you, sir. I agree, and definitely make a chart. Thank you. So if you all are able to make a chart and able to utilize this session to your benefit, I'll feel really happy, and I will feel that it was worth giving a session to you all. So thank you so much for your kind feedback. It really means a lot. I can see a lot of good feedback coming in. So that is the source of energy what we have. Thank you so much, my dear friends.